Dear friends, today we will talk about a strange tree. The tree started speaking, and seeing that, all the people present there became Muslims. So without wasting time, let's move ahead. Friends, there used to be a nobleman in a village who used to pray to Allah day and night. Once Tala was engrossed in worship, something happened when he was passing through a dense forest. There he saw a strange scene. There were many people present near a tree who were standing with folded hands in front of that tree and were looking at the tree. They were asking for something again and again. That kind of person came close to them and asked a man, "What are you guys doing?" The man said, "This is our God. We are asking from him. We worship him. This is our God." Seeing this thing being done, that Abid person got very angry. At that time, he did not say anything and quietly left from there. But after coming home, he started saying angrily that these people are worshipping that tree instead of Allah Ta'ala. Leaving that tree as their God, they are committing shirk. I will have to end this shirk forever by cutting that tree. One day, with the intention of cutting the tree, he placed the axe on his shoulder and rode on his donkey into the forest. On the way, he met Iblis in human form and asked Abid, "Brother, are you in a hurry? Where are you going?" Abid replied, "There is a very old tree in such and such forest. People consider that tree as their own. They have created gods and worship them. I am going today to cut them. I have promised Allah Pak that I will do this noble deed." Satan, who had come in human form, said, "What do you want from this?" Meaning, go and worship Allah, which you always do. Don't waste your time on this useless work. The moments that Allah Tabarak Ta'ala has given you, go and spend those moments in the worship of Allah. Leave the thought of that tree. After defeating the priests, Allah Ta'ala himself will punish them, because Allah is the one who can do everything, and you know how powerful Allah is. Abid said, "But I will continue doing this noble work. Allah has also sent his noble servants into this world. Any wrong thing which is against Islam or is a matter of kufr or shirk cannot be seen, because if we do not stop the evil with our hands, then it is also a kind of sin." Hearing this, Satan said, "I will never let you do this work. I will give it now." The matter escalated between the two, and both of them started fighting with each other. That person picked up the devil in one go and threw him on the ground. That is, he made him fall and sat on his chest. Now the devil made another move and started saying, okay, my. Hearing one thing, the abiding man said, "Tell me, what do you want to say?" Then he said to Iblis, "You see, that tree is thousands of years old. If you try to cut it, it will be a loss for you and my brother. I have ordered you to do the same. No, given that you are going to do this work, you are letting yourself go. You don't know that those people are very many and very powerful, and you are alone. If you try to cut that tree, all those people will become your enemies, and then you know what will be your outcome." The Abid man said, "If you become an enemy, then let them do whatever they want with me. Even if they kill me, I will do this noble deed." The devil said, "Now I will not let you go." And then a fight started between the two. This time also, that noble person picked up the devil in one go and threw him on the ground and sat on his chest. Now the devil started saying, "Okay, leave me if you can. You will leave me. I will tell you a useful thing which will be beneficial for you. If you like it, then it is fine. Otherwise, it is your choice." Hearing this, the good man stops his hand and gets down from his chest. The devil said, "Oh good man, you are a tight-fisted person. I know that you are poor. If I tell you that I will give you a lot of money, which you can use yourself and take to the poor villages and distribute, it would be many times better than stopping this evil work. It would be better if you took money from me and fed it to a poor person, helped a widow, a sick person, or a weak orphan. And yes, listen to one more thing. If you cut that tree, they will kill you out of enmity. And after your murder, they will start worshipping some other tree. You see, there are so many trees in this dense forest which are very old. They will never stop their worship. So what's the benefit of sacrificing yourself? You should take the money that I am going to give you and live your life peacefully, and also help the poor people. I promise you that if you plant this tree intending to bite, I will leave 2 dinars on your pillow every day." That good man, who was the devil's enemy some time ago, in fact, he was thinking of him as a human being, finally fell into the devil's trap, and the devil succeeded in his trick. When he said, "I will leave 2 dinars with you early in the morning, so you use it. Every day you will get 2 dinars, one to spend on yourself and the other to give in charity in the name of Allah." That noble man who thought this a while back, he was thinking that he would cut down the tree and stop people from shirking forever. He was influenced by the words of Satan. He thought that this was right. I will spend one of these 2 dinars on myself and the other in charity in the name of Allah. I will give alms, and this seems better to me than cutting trees. I became angry and said to the devil, "I have accepted whatever you have said. Now, as per your promise, you will keep 2 dinars at my bedside every day so that I can give it to you myself." Satan said, "You seem to me to be a very intelligent and good person. By listening to me, you have given me the proof of your mental retardation. Now go peacefully to your home, Satan, for 3 days." Till then, he kept 2 dinars daily in his head, and he kept getting 2 dinars daily without any hard work. But on the 4th day, he did not get the dinars. In anger, he again picked up the axe and rode on his donkey. And he came out of his house to search for that person. He was angrily muttering, "Today, I will kill him." He did not fulfill his promise. He cheated on me. He had said that he would give me 2 dinars every day, but now he retracted. Now I will cut that tree, and I should not have listened to him at all. The man again walked towards the forest. The devil came to him again in human form and said, "Hey brother, today you look very angry. You are coming and you are in a hurry. Where are you going?" Abid said, "I am going to cut that tree." Iblis Lan said, "You cannot cut that tree at all." The man said, "Okay, if you stop me, then I will give you this. Will not let me do the work. Okay, then show me the devil by stopping me." And again, a fight started between Abid and that person. Friends, you must be thinking that this time too, that person must have thrown the devil and made him lie on the ground and his chest.
But this time, nothing like that happened. This time, the devil picked up Abid, threw him on the ground and sat on his chest and said quietly, "Go back from here, otherwise I will separate your neck from your body." On hearing this, the man got scared and said, "Okay, leave me, I will go back. But yes, tell me this much. Last time when I fought with you, I picked you up very easily and threw you on the ground. I was abusive towards you. Come, I had gone, but this time you made me helpless and made me fall and sat on my chest. What was the reason for this?" On this, Iblis Lan started replying, "Oh, stupid man, first of all, you were amazing. Your anger was only for the pleasure of Allah Pak, hence the world. No power could have stopped you from this work. But now your guru is not for the pleasure of Allah Pak, but because of not getting wealth, that is dinar. So he is killing me because I killed you on the 4th day. You did not give the dinar. That is, now your quarrel is not for the pleasure of Allah, but because of not getting that dinar. And today in this anger, you were going to cut the tree. Listen, the person who does any work for the pleasure of Allah Pak, he dominates me, and the one who does any good deed for himself cannot dominate me. I came before you in human form, but look, I am not a human being, but I am the devil. When I told you, had I stopped you from doing that noble deed, if you had been a pious servant of Allah, you would not have fallen into my trap. Instead, you would have scolded me, and you would have gone away to do that deed. That person was still not able to understand that he was not a human being. Rather, it is the devil. The devil said, "Don't you still recognize me? I'm not your friend, but your enemy. I am the devil who has come to stop you from this noble work." After listening to the devil's advice and talking about common things, that good man was forced to think, how did I, a worshipper of Abid Allah, fall prey to the devil's words? Now that good man immediately recited, "Age bila min shaitan razi bismillah ra rahman rahim la hol wala quwata illa billah." As soon as Abid read this, the devil who was chasing him and who was sitting on his chest immediately disappeared from there. Now he thought, I thought that I would cut that tree and live there, even if those people become my enemies, even if they kill me. When he reached there while walking, he saw that people were roaming near that tree, and in their language they were saying that they didn't know what complaints they were making in front of the tree. He went closer and said, "Brothers, you people are worshipping this tree which cannot even move as per its own will. Yes, you are under the orders of this personality. If you ask, he will bless you a lot, and I request all of you to listen to me." They said, "We are not ready to accept anything of yours." Abid said, "Well, if this tree itself testifies that there is one Allah, he worships whom you do not believe in, then will you accept my words?" They said, "Yes, if this tree bears witness, then we will accept your words, but we know that it is impossible." That noble person, he said that it is not impossible, it is possible. After this, that noble person prostrated before Allah Pak and started praying, "Oh my Lord, please forgive me. I have come under the influence of Satan Mardud, and I accepted his words because of the money. But suddenly that net was removed from me. It means that it has been your order that I should call these people towards you. Oh my Lord, help me and destroy this tree." As if he was praying to Allah, at that very moment the tree started shaking and started speaking. He said, "You people are believing in me. You call me God. You are roaming in front of me, making wishes to me. See, there is no use standing here and wasting your time. Believe what this person says. Allah is one. Allah is selfless. He is neither anyone's father nor anyone's son. He has no partner. Go worship that one. Allah, not me. I am his creation. I have come here to provide faiz to all of you. I've come to give you shade. I've come to give you sweet fruits. I've come to give leaves to your animals." Saying this, the tree became silent once again. The eyes of those people remained wide open. They were listening to his words. They flew towards that person and said, "We are ready to accept your religion. You teach us the Karma. Make us Muslims, because now this tree itself has testified. We will accept your words." After that person taught Karma to many people, and they became Muslims at his hands. Subhanallah, neither that tree was cut, nor anyone's blood was shed. Satan only tried to trap that Abi in his Makaro web of deceit. But with the help of Allah Ta'ala, he escaped from this trap of Satan Mardu. And then by the order of Allah, he taught Karma to all those people and took them away from Islam. Done, Subhanallah, friends. We hope that you have liked our video of today. What is your opinion about today's video? Do comment in the comment box, and if you like the video, then like it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to share it with your friends. Friends, if you are new to our channel and have not subscribed yet, then subscribe now and click on the bell icon for notification of all such interesting upcoming videos. Don't forget, that's all in today's video. Very soon we will be at your service with another new video. Till then, please allow our entire team to take good care of yourself and your loved ones. Allah Hafiz.